Alibaba just released Wan 2.7 video, one of the best AI video generators available.
But the difference is you can use it for free.
So I decided to take the model for a spin and see what it can do. We'll explore all new features like edit videos, transfer motions, and also create avatars with lip sync. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Wan 2.7 can do and if it deserves a spot in your workflow. We're starting on one Explore page. The link is on the description. As other platforms, you can log in with your Google account or with your email address. Back to the Explore page, if we scroll down, we can see what people are creating with this tool. Let's take a look. There are a mix of videos and images because Wan 2.7 can also create great images. Well, not bad at all. Back to the top, we have a quite simpler and nice control panel. Here, you can choose to generate video, image, or avatar. I'll select video. It's good to see how they managed to put everything in a simpler and efficient panel. I really like it. Okay, for video, we have those options. We can generate using text, first and last frame, use references from images or videos, edit a video, or even transfer an action from one video.
No worries, I'll show you how that works later. Now, I'll start testing the video edit function.
I'll add this video as the start video. It asks the audio source. I'll choose to keep the original. Then add this simple prompt. Change the location and background in the @video to a restaurant. Finally, we send to generate. It will use some credits, but there is a way to generate it for free. Let's see first what it generates, and later I'll show you how to do it all for free. I'll show you first the original video so you can compare.
AI video generation is very expensive, but trim. But for small creators, it really doesn't have to be.
This one was generated with Google VEO 3.1. So we asked to change the location to a restaurant. Let's see what it did.
AI video generation is very expensive, but trim. But for small creators, it really doesn't have to be.
Okay, you can see the lips isn't sync with the audio, but to be honest, it did perfectly what we asked. Playing side by side, you can see the main character was recreated with the same motion in a restaurant. I can see many uses for this. What do you think? That was the video edit. Now, let me show you the transfer action I mentioned before. This function can get an action from one video and transfer it to a character. So let's have some fun. I'll take this dance video and apply that movement to this alien warrior. Do you think he can dance? I'll go back to the control panel and select the transfer option. Upload the dance video as the source. Then I'll upload the character image as the target. Add the prompt, copy the action in the @video, make the character dance, and click to generate. By the way, if you're finding this tutorial useful, hitting that subscribe button and liking the video really helps support the channel and ensures you don't miss out on future videos. Back to the demo. This is what it created. Really? This is super fun, don't you think so? Looking side by side, you can see the motion is not perfect, but I liked the result, and this monster have a nice swing. Now let's switch gears and try something different, the lip sync function. Honestly, this one surprised me. It is under the avatar section. The idea is simple. You give it a character image and an audio clip, and it generates a video of that character speaking. I'll use this character and a speech audio I generated before. I'll go back to the control panel and choose Avatar. On the function selector, I'll choose the speech to video option. I'll upload our character image. Then I'll upload the speech audio and click to generate. While it generates as promised, I'll show you how to generate it all for free. It's quite simple. On the settings selector, you have to disable the generate with credit option. This allows you to generate unlimited videos. The catch is, the generation is routed to a shared server and each generation takes a lot of time. When I mean a lot, read 30+ minutes. It finished creating the video. Let's see the result.
To be or not to be? That is the question.
It did the lip sync very well, even got some expression to the avatar. It also animated the background. Maybe too much smoke here, but the result was better than I expected. All right, we've tested 3 features. Let me give you my honest verdict. Wan 2.7 is a solid and versatile AI video tool. We tested video editing, action transfer, and lip sync, and across all three, it delivered reasonable results. It's not going to replace high-end video models, but the range of features is hard to find in one free platform.
The free tier is real. Disabling credits routes generation to a shared server, which means long wait times, 30 minutes or more. If you're on a deadline, that won't work. But if you're experimenting or on a budget, it's a useful option. Overall, Wan 2.7 is worth bookmarking. It's capable, free to use, and covers more ground than you'd expect.
So let's recap what we learned.
First, we used the video edit feature to change a video background with a simple prompt.
Then we transferred a dance action from a video onto a character image. Then we generated a lip sync video using just a character image and an audio clip. Now I want to hear from you. What are you going to create with Wan 2.7? If you want to go deeper, check out the video on screen. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest AI tools. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.